One product,
2 ways.
Here are 4 hacks to make the most of your favorite Mary Kay products.
Mary Kay Naturally Nourishing Oil absorbs quickly to keep skin hydrated.
But did you know that it can also be used on your cuticles and the ends of your hair? Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer is designed to be crease-proof and long-lasting, perfect for those with under-eye circles or minor skin imperfections.
You can use a shade that's slightly darker than your natural skin tone to contour your cheekbones and add dimension.
Mary Kay lipsticks come in a variety of shades to fit your outfit or your mood.
And, in a pinch, blend with a cheek brush to give a subtle flush of color to your cheeks. Mary Kay Chroma Fusion eyeshadows are pigment rich and come in a variety of colors that are made to hold strong for 12 hours.
Matte shades like Espresso or Onyx can also be used to fill in your brows with an eyebrow eyeliner brush. Wow, your brows look great!
Oh, thanks. I love that lipstick you're wearing.
Thank you!
Contact your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant for more tips and tricks just like these.
And tell us your favorite 2-for-1 hack in the comments.